Okay, hello students, how are you all? So in last lecture, we have seen how map is useful for us, how map help us to visit some new place. We have seen last time how Rashi and Mahar's family went to a wedding which was in JK Hall, right? And on that invitation card, there was one map. Yes, students? So that map made them easy to go at that place, right? So today we are going to see how the picture, how a map is represented. So in your textbook they have given you, see to this page, a crow flies high over Meher school. A crow is flying high over Meher school. It can see the top view of buildings. It can see the top view of the buildings, the roads and the playground. Look at that, what the crow can see. In the first picture, students, in this picture, they have shown you that a crow is flying above the school, right? So what that crow can see, there are different buildings, roads, playground. If you can see, they have given here a small ground, a basketball court is given, playground is given, main road is given. So this is the view from top. ये क्रो ऊपर से जब मेहर की स्कूल देखता है तो उसे ये सारी चीजें वहां पे दिखाई देती है. So students, if this view is converted into a picture, then it will look something like this. This is the picture now. Pictograph में बनाया है उसको, right? If you can see the green grass, that is the playground, the buildings, ground, basketball court, parking area and the main road. So they have represented this original picture, this original view into a picture, and this picture is called as the map. So this will be one form of a map of the school. This is the map of the Meher school. So students, take a pencil in your hand when I'm reading this, underline. When we draw a picture of this view, it is a map. So when we draw picture of such a view, it is a map. A map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface as seen from a position above the place. So what is a map? It is a picture of any place on a flat surface. So एक flat surface के ऊपर जब हम कोई picture draw करते हैं to show some place. For example, if I ask you to show the way from your home to school, if you want to draw that, you will draw it on a flat surface on a page, and that is called as a map. So today one activity with help of your parents, आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ ही आप इधर, अगर आपके घर के बाहर बालकनी है तो बालकनी में जाके रुकिए या फिर टेरेस पे जा सकते हो विथ योर पेरेंट्स, एंड यू ट्राई टू सी डाउन. सो नीचे जब आप देखोगे आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाई देगी. अगर आप किसी बिल्डिंग के टेरेस पे हो तो नीचे आपको शॉप्स, रोड, आजू बाजू के बिल्डिंग्स, ग्राउंड, ये सारी चीज़ें दिखाई देगी. सो आपको कोशिश करनी है कि फ्लैट पेज के ऊपर वो सारी चीज़ें ड्रॉ करें. ओके, दैट विल बी योर मैप ऑफ योर हाउस, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? It uses place, name, signs, colors to show information. So when you draw something in map, it uses some pictures. If you can see here, they have used some colors, some pictures and labeling is done. सब सारी चीज़ों को यहाँ पे नाम दिया गया है. Yes, so the labeling is done. Now we can make a map of any place in the world. We can even draw the map of Meher's classroom. Imagine that the classroom has no ceiling. This way we can look down into the room and see the top of different objects. Let us make some signs to show these things in the classroom. See the table in which they have given you some symbols which can be used for different objects. Students, just imagine if you are sitting in your class. In your class you have different benches, blackboard, cupboard, you keep all your bags at, you have blackboard, you have a dustbin, you have windows, right? So all these things, imagine if you see your class from top. अगर आप एक टॉप व्यू से अपने क्लास को देखोगे, नीचे ये सारी चीज़ें जब आप देखोगे तो आपको किस हिसाब से ये सारी चीज़ें दिखाई देगी, उसका एक ड्राइंग बनाना है. दैट विल बी द मैप ऑफ योर classroom. So they have given the objects and which symbol you can use. If you can see here, teacher's table, the symbol, can you see the symbol? Student's desk and chair, see the symbol. Dustbin, see the symbol. Blackboard, look at the symbol of blackboard. Cupboard, see the cupboard. Window and wing. सो ये सारी चीज़ें ऊपर से कैसे दिखाई देगी, वो सिम्बॉल्स आपको दिए गए हैं. इफ़ यू सी द ब्लैक बोर्ड, यू विल से टीचर ब्लैक बोर्ड इज फ्लैट, बट व्हेन यू विल सी द ब्लैक बोर्ड फ्रॉम अप, तो आपको बस इतना पोर्शन दिखाई देगा ना ब्लैक बोर्ड का. सो दैट दे हैव गिवन ओनली द अपर पोर्शन, राइट. इवन द कबर्ड, इफ यू सी कबर्ड इज इन फ्लैट फॉर्म, बट इफ यू वांट टू सी, व्हेन यू सी द कबर्ड फ्रॉम अपर एरिया, ऊपर से जब आप टॉप से कबर्ड को देखोगे, यू विल ओनली सी द अपर पोर्शन ऑफ द कबर्ड. सो दे हैव गिवन यू हियर ओनली द टॉप पोर्शन, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. सो इन दिस वे, using the different objects with symbols, you can draw the map of your classroom. Now on the next page, see, if you can see here, the map of a classroom is given. The map of a classroom is given. See the teacher's desk, student's desk, blackboard, dustbin. Can you see everything? Cupboard at one corner, window is given at one side. So in this way, even we can draw a picture, a map of our classroom also. Yes, similarly you can also draw a map of your drawing room. अभी तो आप स्कूल नहीं आ रहे हो, आप घर पे हो, राइट. सो एट योर होम, ऑफ योर रूम, ऑफ योर बेडरूम और ऑफ हॉल, आप ऐसा एक ड्राइंग बना सकते हो. यू विल इमेजिन, अगर आप ऊपर से अपने हॉल को देखोगे, राइट, तो वो टीवी होता है, यू हैव टेलीविजन, यू हैव सोफा, you have windows, main door, everything. So you can represent in such way and try to make a map in such way. Yes, so will you try? Okay. So we can use the symbols to make a map. Look at the given map of a classroom. Using the list of symbols on previous page, can you point out the objects? Can you point out, students? Now tell me, can you see the dustbin here? Yes. Can you see the teacher's desk? Okay. Can you see the window? Perfect. Can you see the cupboard? Yes. So in this way we can see all the objects. As you know the symbols. We already know the symbols, right? So maps are of many kinds. They can be a map or a plan of a house, route, or a map of country. The signs or symbols used in maps depend on the type of map. Some maps also use different colors to show different information. So students, there are different types of maps. It can be a map of a particular place, state, city, or whole country, or even world. And depending on that, we use the different symbols. So symbols, colors, and what they show is explained in key. तो आपके मैप पे हमेशा एक ऐसी की बनाई जाती है डाउन साइड पे, इन द कॉर्नर, इफ़ यू कैन सी हियर, ऐसी की, और उस की में सारी चीज़ों का ड्राइंग दिया जाता है एंड साइड में उनका नेम, सो दैट जो भी वो मैप देखने की कोशिश करेगा उसे पता चले कि कौन सा सिंबल क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सो हियर इन दिस की, सी दे हैव गिवन यू द सिंबल ऑफ डोर, विंडो, सोफा, सिंक, chair, commode. And similarly, using all these symbols, if you can see, a plan of house is given, right? You can also practice doing of your house, right? So this is how it will look like. Yes, you can also see a map showing the route. Route is road, so this map is showing one route, and here they have given you key. So what is that pink dot for? That pink dot represents position, the location. जहाँ पे आपको जाना है उस पोजीशन को उन्होंने पिंक मार्क में दिया है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट अदर लाइन्स? इट रिप्रेजेंट्स रोड्स. एंड व्हाट इज दैट ब्लू डॉटेड लाइन? इट इज द पाथ विच यू आर गोइंग टू यूज. सो नाउ it is easy if you try to follow that pink dot. With that pink dot, along with the dotted line, and you will reach to the destination, to the location. So in this way, if you have maps, it is very easy to travel to a new place or to a place which is not known to you, right? So maps make our work very easy. Students, if you can see, here there is one map which shows all the states and capitals in India. This is the map of India, and it shows all the states of India along with the capital. If you can see, what is the key? Dotted line says international border. Dotted lines are international border, right? Small dotted are state border. Red color box is your country capital, and black color dot are state capital. So now when you see at this map, can you see the red color dot, red color box? It is our capital, Delhi, right? So it is given with the red box, and all these dotted lines, if you can see, these are the boundaries. Okay students, and the black dot, now if for this state of Madhya Pradesh, the black dot Bhopal is capital. For the state of say Telangana, the black dot Hyderabad is capital, right students? For the state Maharashtra, black dot, that is Mumbai, is the capital. So in this way you can study this map properly, right? अगर ये की दी जाती है तो उससे हमें मैप रीड करने में बहुत आसानी होती है. It is very useful to understand the map if the key is provided. So students, now what are the directions? In EVS chapter, in the one which we have learned in EVS 1, that is way around our neighborhood, अगर आपने वो lesson ठीक से देखा होगा, we have already discussed what are directions. So now चलो, you tell me, what are the four main directions? North, East, West, South. Very good. North, East, West, South. So these are the four main directions. And what were the sub-directions? You will write all the four directions and the sub-directions in your notebook. Okay students? Yes. Now what was the compass? Even you know what is compass. We have discussed. So what is a compass? Yes. See, if you can see, it is one compass is one instrument which has a needle in it, and that needle points towards north and south direction, and which shows us the different directions. Yes students, very good. So directions are also important for maps. They make it easier to locate place and follow the routes. Now look at the map which was given on page number 14. If you see, can you see this map? So in this map, page number 14, the arrow with the letter N shows the north. North is one of the four main directions. The other main directions are east, south and west. They are used to find the position or location of a place on a map. And what is a compass? A compass is an instrument used to show four directions. So I hope you have understood this lesson till here students.